If you get this wrong, like so many do, you will lose your money, your time, your momentum, and your motivation. But if you get this right, if you get it right, if you nail this, then you can increase your money, you can increase your momentum, you can raise the desirability that you carry into the modeling industry, you can build your brand, build your network, and have a blast doing it. What we're talking about here is adding additional representation. Picking up another agency, another agent. If you have one agent or one agency, we're going to add to that and we're going to talk about how to do that specifically for you, for your look, for your style, for things like this, so that you give yourself the best odds of increasing your success, right? Don't get this wrong. Now, if you do get it right, if you pick the right agency fit for you to add to the agency you already have, then not only do you increase your income, but this is also going to increase your client list, most likely the marketability